All right, so here's our last graphing example, the last graphing one. But this one is so wonderful. I love it so much because you have every single thing in here. You have a vertical shift, you have an amplitude, you have a period change, you have a phase shift, all inside of here. And then we actually get to graph it too. That's going to be so wonderful. I'm so excited about it. So let's go and take a look at each one of these pieces and let's go and pull those out. This is going to be wonderful. I'm so excited. So here, let's start off with the amplitude, A. So our amplitude here, we know is this first number in front. That's 2. Alright, and let me go and put this other stuff down too. So we need to find what our K is, then the period, then our new tick marks. Figure out what C is, what the phase shift is, and our horizontal shift. That vertical shift there. So we call that H, the vertical shift. All right, so we're going to fill everything in. So first off here, looking at it, we know we can define what K is. We know we can go ahead and change this to a fraction here. So we know we can do 1/4 theta. So we can rewrite it that way. So that means our K would be 1/4. That's, again, it's not Y, it's just 1/4. Alright, so to find our period, we have that same formula, the 2 pi over K. So that's 2 pi over the 1/4 for K. And again, we get to do our wonderful keep, change, flip. And that gives us 8 pi for our period. Alright, so that means it's a new period. So we have a new period here. We have a new period, so that means we have new phase, new tick marks. That's what I'm trying to say. Gosh, my fault. New tick marks. So with our new tick marks, we take each one of the original ones and divide it by 1/4. So that's what I'm going to do really quickly. Right, and again, with each one of those, because I don't have enough room, because I need to still graph below here, I'm not going to go ahead and do the work for that. I'm going to give you the answers, because remember we have the keep, change, flip for each one of those. So our tick marks here, our new ones, would be 0, 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi, and 8 pi. And at this point, we've done keep, change, flip when it came to the sequence and series part, when it came to our common ratio. But now also we've done enough times here through the trig transformations, that we should be able to get this down now without having to go back and look at it. But again, if you're confused and not sure how we did that or how I got those, just call me over and I'll help answer those questions for you. All right, so our C, is this part right here. So that's pi. And that tells us what direction to go in. And so since it's a positive pi, you go left or right. Go left. So it's opposite of what you think. Alright, so for phase shift, we have negative C over K. Again, we know C here is pi. So negative pi. We know K is 1/4. Alright, again, we keep, change, flip. It's going to give us a negative 4 pi. Again, remember, I'm going to let you try to remember how to do that, because I'm not going to give that to you this time. And again, if you need help, call me over. Alright, for H, again, that's the number on the back here. So that means everything is going to go up 3. Alright, so I'm going to block out everything that we need again. So our vertical shift, we have this part here, we have C, we already know what that is, and when it comes to our parts here. Excuse me. All right, so now that we have everything we need, now we can go ahead and start graphing it. And I'll do that in the next video.